Hello, my name is Binti, metric number 145873. Today I will be presenting about the social predation behavior in South American electric eels from the family Gymnotidae, which is the topic 4 for the assignment. So I will start with the introduction. A research had been done in the previous study by Bastos DA in 2021 in which to investigate the social predation among the electric eels. The researcher had highlighted that the electric eels of the Amazon basin have long been considered nocturnal solitary predators for being capable of employing high voltage electric organ discharges, which is EODs, to strike and disable selected prey. Generally, many animals develop group foraging behavior because it provides many benefits such as increase the success rate of the prey hunting processes. However, only some fish species engage with social predation. Basically, social predation is a behavior developed in some animal species when groups of individuals jointly work to find, target, and kill larger or more numerous prey. In this study, an experiment was carried out on electric eels near the mouth of a small lake on the bank of the Erie River. The habitat where the electric eels were found was structured by sunken logs with depth ranging from 1.5 to 3 to 4 meter, in which the shallow portion of the lake was used as a hunting area while the deeper portion was used for resting. The observation was made based on the video recorded using the GoPro 3 Plus and Nikon D5100 cameras. Then, during the social predation events, the opportunistic predators and prey that shared the same area were collected and identified. Since social predation is an evolved behavior that is comparatively rare for fishes, by conducting the research on the electric eels, it helps us to have a better understanding of their foraging behavior and social predation. Therefore, based on this previous study on social predation of electric eels, the objectives of the study are to identify behavioral states throughout 24 hours, to observe the area perspective of the electric eels during each stage, and lastly, to observe and record the estimated number of individual eels involved in the social predation events. The observation made based on the experiment shows that there are 4 well-defined behavioral states of the electric eels, which are the resting state, interacting state, migrating state, and lastly the hunting state. Then the aerial perspective for each behavioral state or stage was observed and recorded. From the study, the result shows that the social predation occurred twice in a day, where in stage 1, which is the resting state, the electric eels were seen laying almost motionless and close to the mud bottom, or among submerged fallen branches and trees. In the second stage, which is the interacting state, there is increased activity of electric eels where they are swimming near the water surface to interact with each other near the resting area. For the migrating stage, which is stage 3, the group of eels start to move from the resting area to the hunting area. In stage 4, which is the hunting state, groups of over 100 eels aggregate and start swimming in circles, herding groups of small fishes into a prey ball and posteriorly launching a joint predatory strike. After the prey is hit by the electrical discharges, it will jump out of the water and return to the water surface, stunned and motionless. After that, it will be swallowed by the eels or other predators. This study on the electric eels and also its social predation behavior is quite interesting because it helps us to have better understanding on how the electric eels communicate with each other, whether they hunt in packs or not, and how the electric eels find their prey. Besides that, I found this particular behavior interesting because social predation is common in mammals but can be comparatively rare in fishes. Actually, electric eels use low electric organ discharges to communicate, in which the electricity is produced by the pulses. Other than that, the scientists also had revealed that the electric eels sometimes hunt individually, but it is not always the case. They also sometimes hunt in packs similar to wolves or tuna. There is also modification in electric eels that helps in hunting hidden prey, in which the pulses of electricity are sent out and work like radar to find the hidden prey. Then those pulses can trigger muscles in the prey to twitch showing the eel where the prey is, including the one that is motionless hiding. Eels use their high voltage electric discharge to remotely control prey by transcutaneously activating the motor neurons, and the increase in prey abundance leads the electric eels to develop this social predation behavior where they start to form groups to enhance the chances of hunting or killing the prey. Other than that, the structural condition also affect the behavior of electric eels. If the conditions favor the hunting for multiple eels, then it will lead to social predation performance. Thus, we hypothesize that the use of locations with high prey abundance as well as structural conditions favoring hunting and long-time shelter for multiple eels favor the emergence of social predation by electric eels. In conclusion, the study of the social predation of the electric eels show various benefits of electric eels when living in groups. The study focuses on predators and explores how group membership influences predation success rate from searching to subduing prey. We can also conclude that the electric eels utilizes the group foraging where multiple eels surround or encircling multiple prey and stun the prey with multiple electric strikes. The purpose of the study is to investigate the social predation in electric eels by focusing on the link between population, social structures, genomics, and electrogenesis. Lastly, this study helps us to have a better understanding of the evolutionary interplay between predatory and escape tactics among vertebrates. That is all from me. Thank you.